In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a return label on Shopify. We'll walk through the process right inside your Shopify admin, so you can quickly set up a return for a customer and keep everything organized. Make sure you're already logged into your Shopify admin dashboard before we begin. Start on your main admin homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Orders and click on it. This takes you to a list of all the orders in your store. Find the order that needs a return. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to look it up by order number, customer name, or other details. Once you've found the correct order, click on it to open the order details page. Inside that order page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Return. Click on that. This will open the return and exchange page where you'll set up the items being sent back and the shipping details. At the top of this page, you'll see a section called Select Return Items. Here, all of the products from that order are listed. Next to each product, there will be a quantity field or selector. Adjust the quantity to match how many of that item the customer is returning. For example, if they ordered 2 of the same item, but are only sending 1 back, set the quantity to 1. Below that, you'll see another section labeled Exchange Items. This is optional. If you're offering an exchange instead of or in addition to a refund, you can add replacement products here. You'll be able to select products from your catalog to send back to the customer. If you are not offering an exchange for this return, simply leave this section as it is and continue. Next, scroll down to the section called Return and Shipping Options. This is where you add your return label. You have 2 ways to do this. First, there's like an Add Files option. Use this if you already have a return label file saved on your computer, such as a PDF. Upload that file so it's attached to the return. Alternatively, you can click on the link that says Use a return label instead. This lets you paste in a return label URL if your label is hosted online. After attaching the label, fill in the tracking information. Add the tracking number, select the correct shipping carrier from the list, and then enter the tracking URL if you have one. This helps both you and your customer follow the shipment as it comes back. Once all the details are filled in, scroll back up. On the left-hand side, you'll see a summary section that shows a quick overview of the return. Review everything to make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, click Create Return. Shopify will save the return, and your label and tracking details will now be associated with that order.